The biggest Second World War cannon on a square. The biggest medieval castle in the world. Teutonic one. You have to believe me. And the biggest ceramics or glass maybe Virgin Mary in the world. And short Mary. So guys, another trip. Here we are. I will go straight to the point. We are on the abandoned cemetery, completely abandoned cemetery. Although it's fenced, but it's like a new experience from me to show you something completely, left to die. This was a not so common, but evangelical and Catholic cemetery, both in one place, in the city of Malbork in northern Poland, Marienburg. But what the hell? Every single grave is completely turned upside down. Actually, Marienburg before the war was a city occupied mostly by Germans. 99% was Germans, but it was a capital of Teutonic Order in the Middle Ages, famed Teutonic Order. If you know what I mean, if you read some history, if you attend to some history lessons. Oh, one name. And then after the war, when the borders shifted, the cemetery wasn't needed anymore. And that's what we have today. Empty, hollow graves. Almost no tombstones, as you see. No tombstones. Not many, but we'll find some probably, but not many. I think the tombstones were stolen and reshaped and put in the new cemeteries. A young guy, Tadeusz Spielak, 1 year old, and they reshaped the tombstones and put it into resell it, put it in some other place, some other cemetery, some other graveyards with a new name on it. I think that the one was reshaped as well, but after the war, he was a Pole who died in Malbork after the war, 1947. But, not many graves like that. Jesus. A complete disaster. This is just like a scrapyard. Scrapyard all over the crosses. And nothing left. I've seen a lot of cemeteries, but this one is something special. Total wasteland. We won't belong in here. There is no point, but just to show you the landscapes. You see, the crosses are still functioning, still, creating the sculpture with all of the grave, but the tombstones are gone. Probably good rocks, 2 good rocks. A guy with a German name and surname. So this is our future. In the way I think it is, of all of us. Empty grave. Someone rich was taken down under in here. And my favorite sculpture on this particular cemetery, the Faceless Jesus, or Jesus the Faceless. It's even hard to walk. Ugh. Jesus, completely don't know where I'm going. Many people are going and actually looking after it and try to explore. I think I'll be playing in here if I were a kid. Wasteland, wasteland, guys. That looks like... No, it's artificial. It's artificial. I thought it's old. And that's an acronym and a slur. Fuck the police in the ass. Yeah. And you see the item to fuck. No tour guides, no guides, nowhere you'll find information about places like this. So go on the trip with me. I'm going to such places. I'm a one-man tomb rider. Yes, I'm the one-man tomb rider. I'm not going inside, but outside with pleasure. Or upside sometimes. Oh, it used to be so under sculpture. What was it? Mary or Jesus? Is it the female's feet or male ones? Hard to guess, is it? Hard to guess. Utterly Gothic climate, or Victorian one. It could be anywhere in Western Europe. Anywhere, especially in England, I think. Nameless, nameless. Don't look any further. It's haunted. Yeah. Hmm.